Hi there, and welcome to Coinrule's 5th Strategy of the Week video. This week's strategy will use TradingView signals and utilises the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, and EMAs, or exponential moving averages, to enter and close trades. Later, I'm going to show you how to run this strategy on Coinrule and also backtest it on a variety of coins. The RSI is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis. The RSI measures the speed and magnitude of recent price changes to signify overvalued or undervalued conditions in the price of a certain asset. The RSI is displayed as an oscillator, a line graph essentially, on a scale of 0 to 100. It can also indicate assets that may be primed for a trend reversal or a corrective pullback in price. This essentially means that it can act as a signal when to buy and sell. Traditionally, an RSI reading of 70 or above indicates an overbought situation, and a reading of 30 or below indicates an oversold condition. EMAs are a type of moving average that places a greater weight and significance on the most recent data points. The exponential moving average is also referred to as the exponentially weighted moving average. This essentially means that it reacts more significantly to recent price changes than a simple moving average, which applies an equal weight to all observations in the period. Now I will go over the entry conditions for the strategy. There's two entry conditions and they're both quite simple. First is that the RSI is less than 40 and has decreased by 3, indicating that we are approaching oversold levels. The second condition is when EMA 100 has crossed above EMA 50, like shown in this example here. Again, the two exit conditions for the rule are really very simple. The first exit condition is when the RSI is greater than 65, just like in this example here. And the second exit condition is when EMA 9 has crossed above EMA 50, just like in this example. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to run this strategy on Coinrule and also backtest it on TradingView. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to backtest this strategy on TradingView and also run it on Coinrule. First, you're going to have to find the strategy on our TradingView page. So this is the name of it here, Catching the Bottom by Coinrule. I'll add a direct link to this in the description of the video so you don't need to find it manually. Scroll down and you'll see a description of the entry and exit conditions. It's just what we've been over, but it's here for your reference anyway. You'll also find some information on how the backtesting data is calculated, and also some examples of some pairs that produce very strong results. For example, MATIC on the 2-hour time frame. So considering we recommend that this pairing is very strong and works well, I'm going to test it out on this time frame here. So come to the chart, MATIC, Tether on the 2-hour time frame. You first have to add the strategies to your favorite indicators just by clicking this button here. Come back to the chart, come to indicators, click that, it'll now be under your favorites, and just click it here and add it to the chart. So you can see with 3 closed trades, it made $202 net profit with $1,000 starting capital, giving us a net profit of 20%. It was profitable 100% of the time, which is pretty good. So if you're happy with this performance, come to Coinrule and design your strategy. So if TradingView signal is a buy, then I want to buy $250 of MATIC because this performs well with my USDT wallet as a limit order. And then if the TradingView signal is a sell, I want to sell 100% of the amount bought of that coin to my USDT wallet as a limit order. Start immediately, execute 100 times in total. I'm going to name this rule Catch the Bottom. So click launch and you'll see here you're provided with a webhook URL and a message. So come back to the chart here. Come to the strategy, just highlight it here. Highlight these 3 dots, click under more, click that, and click add alert on B3 Catch the Bottom. So click this, and you'll see you provided a box here for the webhook URL and the message. Copy this, and put this in the webhook URL box. And copy the message, and put it in the message box. Click create, and come back to Coinrule, and now click launch. And that's it. Your strategy is now live on Coinrule. Thank you very much for listening to this strategy of the week video. We're really excited to see what you create. Thanks a lot.